Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your appearance in a Bluesky social. It's really easy and simple. First things first, open up your Bluesky app. Then what you want to click is on the top left. You will see these three horizontal lines. Click on this, scroll down, click on settings. Now here under settings guys, you'll see this option that says appearance. Click on this right here. Now you'll see the different settings you can change. For example, the color mode, you can choose the system one. You can change this to light or dark mode. And now you have a dark theme. You have a dark theme, so you can choose dark or a dim version if you want. Okay, go ahead back to system. I can choose change the dark theme if I want. But that one you can only do it when you switch back to dark mode, okay? Now for font, you can choose the system one, okay, whatever your system uses, or you can go according to that theme, and I can change the font size to be maybe smaller or larger depending on your needs. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.